Hello there. Watch me soar. Tweet, tweet. Bye for now.
Today we are going to draw a cute little eagle together. Now let's draw with me. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. Get your pencils and papers ready, and let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. The eye near us is bigger, and the eye far from us is smaller. Leave some space in the middle for the beak. Inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color the pupils black. Then draw the beak. Draw a curved shape in the middle for the beak. Now let's draw the head. Make a nice round shape.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now connect these parts like mountains and valleys. Follow my black marker and draw this line. It's time for the body. Draw a big, round body. Draw the wings. Start with a curve for the wing on the side. Now let's draw the tail. Draw a small tail at the back. Draw the feet. Draw 2 small feet with tiny toes. Add some details on its belly. Draw feathers on its wings. Draw 2 curves under the eyes for cheeks. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what animal you want to draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.